These are in my car.
Yep.
So we'll spin camera around. There's been an update on the Osmo, so we'll just give it a try and see if it actually works as it's supposed to. There we go. I'll take a bit of fiddly to get it working. This is massive bird. Oh yeah! Wow, look at that! Oh, there's a pair of them. They're low, aren't they? How low they are. No, they're together, aren't they? Yeah, well spotted. I hope it's picked it up because it's snowing. Let's carry on. And Jasmine's gone, she's off down the road. So I hope you had a good Christmas and got everything you wanted from Santa and had a happy new year. I've got a new watch. If I can show it you, I'll try. Oh. That's my new watch. Huawei GT2, which I managed to buy for £70. So UK pounds, new. So really happy with that. Good price. And then I got a pair of Turtle Beach Elite Pro Series headphones for my gaming channel, or shall I say gaming channels. I've actually got two gaming channels, one for family content with the kids and one for myself. It's getting quite fluffy. The snow is getting quite fluffy. Yeah. Try and show you. I mean, it's not too much noise for the kids because they're really excited. As you know, they love going out no matter what the weather. So yeah, try and show you a bit more further down the road. Plenty of people out getting their exercise. We've got the farm here. There's our farm. It's not my farm, but we live next to the farm. And that's the country park. She's just there. Keep going, it's a bit uneven here, so I've got to be really careful. Really careful where I'm walking underfoot. Is there? Mum's tried unsuccessfully to break it. They got through eventually. It's more like mud than water. Careful you're throwing that, please. Come on then. I'll keep walking. Let them have the fun. Means I can get ahead. Means I can get ahead. So to let you know what's coming up in future videos for the next week anyway. Got 2 videos coming from... Anyway, I'm trying to... Go on. Don't matter now, you've ruined the... Let you know what's coming up in the future videos. So, coming up over the next week, I'll have a video from a World Heritage Site that we did in August. So I think you'll quite enjoy that. I've got a drone video of a bit of a waterfall, which took a lot of risk in taking because I'm using the Mini to do it, and then we did a muddy walk where it had rained all day, and then the following day we went out for a walk, and it's a 2-parter, so and that's what's coming up. So yeah, we didn't go for much of a walk, but it's only meant to be a short video anyway. I'll just show you the box for me. Can you see that? That's my Turtle Elites. So yeah, that's it. So thank you very much, and if you made it this far, thank you for watching, and please remember to give it a like and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already done so. It's much appreciated. Thank you. And